Hi, my name is Kristof. I would like to welcome you all back to our channel. So today we're gonna make a very short video as well, and this is attaching two lines together. This is two lines with two different diameters. Now the question is, why would you do that? Well, let's say you got a big tote and your line is too short and you come by another boat which is a bit bigger. You might need to attach two lines together, so if your lines were too short, so it could be handy to use. So let me show you in a small video how you do it, and then if it's been a long time since you've been on a course, at least you can practice at house. Don't forget, if you haven't been a member on the channel, don't forget to hit the bell and the subscribe button, and you will be notified for the next video. See you. Cheers. Okay, I just looked up for some two lines. So you see I've got a small one here and a thicker one there. So you remember another video where we used the rabbit holes and the rabbit. So this one we can actually make our loop a bit like this, you see, and I'll take the other one as the rabbit. Now let's see what that does if we do the same. The rabbit comes out of the hole, goes around the two lines, the two trees in this case, and goes back into the hole. Now you've seen these ones are two lines with different diameters. So let's see what it does. You see, they're actually slipping and they come apart. So that's not going to work too much. So it's not going to be well. So how can we do this differently? Now I'm going to make the same hole again, this way. Got my rabbit coming out of the hole, going around both trees in this case, and you see the one that came out of the hole, on top of it we hold a finger and we stick this one underneath, so it actually looks a bit like this. Now let's pull it on. See, if you pull this one, it stays much sturdy, and that's how we're going to use it. So if you want to attach two lines, this is a very useful knot to use. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Very small video as promised, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you. Fun. Cheers. Bye bye.